1 means you can write root 3 whole square. Okay, now 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 3, because this and this will get cancelled. After that 1 by 4 plus 4. After that LCM is 4. 1 plus 4, which is 5 by 4. So in this way you have to do. Next, sin 60 degree divided by cos square 45 degree minus 3 tan 30 degree plus 5 cos 90 degree. Okay, now sin 60 degree means root 3 by 2. Cos 45 means, if you doesn't know the value, then again you go back 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 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 4, then this. Okay, you do one thing, you just write on the right hand side 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4. After that put the sign of square root. Now sine 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. After that cos will be 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. This is cos. After that tan 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 and undefined. Okay, you can do this. Now just put the value. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. After that cos square 45. Cos 45 is here 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square minus 3 into tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3 plus 5 into cos 90. Obviously cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Now next step, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 minus 3 divided by root 3 plus 5 into 0 is 0. After that root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. This is called reciprocal, minus 3 divided by root 3. Now this and this cancel. Root 3 by 1 minus 3 divided by root 3. LCM is root 3. So 1 into root 3 is root 3. Root 3 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now next number 3 part 2. Previous question was 3 part 1. 2 root 2 cos 45 into cos 60 plus 2 root 3 sin 30 degree into tan 60 degree minus cos 0 degree. Okay, now just put the value 2 root 2. Now cos 45, what is the value? Cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 into cos 60 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 root 3 into sin 30 degree means 1 by 2 into tan 60 degree means root 3 minus cos 0 degree means 1. Now 2 root 2 will get cancelled. So what is left? 1 plus this and this will get cancelled. Okay, cancel. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus 1. Again this one and this one will get cancelled. So what is left? Only root 3. So this is the answer. Okay, 3 part 3 you can try. After that After that, number 4, prove that you can try. This is easy. Number 5 is also same question. I'll do number 10. Okay. Number 10, you have to prove A equals to 60 degree, B equals to 30 degree. Okay. Verify that means you have to prove sine A plus B equals to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Okay. This number 4, number 6, number 8 I'll do in next class because it is not clear. Okay. So that's why I'm going direct to question number 10. Please don't worry, this 4, 5, 6 I'll do. Okay. This is not clear. Now just put the value. Sine A means 60, B means 30 equals to sine 60 degree into cos B means 30 degree plus cos sine 60 degree into cos B means 30 degree plus cos A 60 degree into sine B means 30 degree. Now sine 60 plus 30 is 90 degree equals to, now just put the value. Sine 60 means what? Sine 60 means root 3 by 2. Cos 30 means again root 3 by 2. Cos 60 means 1 by 2 into sine 30 means 1 by 2. Now sine 90 degree means what? Sine 90 degree means 1. It means your left hand side you are getting 1. So after solving right hand side you have to get 1. Okay. So equals to root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. After that take out LCM. LCM is 4, 3 plus 1. 4 divided by 4 which is 1. So left hand side and right hand side is same. So in this way you have to do. Okay. Similarly I am doing 10 part 3. This is the last question. Okay. After that in next class I will do 4, 5 and 6. So with the help of number 10 you can try question number 7. Okay. 10 part 3. 10 part 3 sine A minus B equals to sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. Okay. Now sine 60 minus 30. What is sine A? Sine 60 into cos 30 minus cos 60. Cos 60 into sine B. Sine 30 degree. Now sine 60 minus 30 is 30 equals to, now just put the value. Sine 60 degree means what? Sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree means cos 30 degree again root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 degree 1 by 2 into sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree means 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is sine 30 degree which is 1 by 2? It means after solving everything you have to get half equals to root 3 into root 3 is 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay. LCM is 4. 3 minus 1. 2 by 4. 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2, hence proved. This much for today. In next class I'll do number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay. So with the help of question number 10 you please try question number 7. Thank you very much.